Alfred Hitchcock made his career on terrorizing his audiences with the power of anticipation, and 1948's Rope is a great example of this. As Rope plays out as a continuous moment in one flat, it is essentially one scene, but Alfred Hitchcock is still able to create set pieces which fill us with dread.
That's a gun, isn't it?
Two men attempt to prove that they have committed the perfect crime by hosting a dinner party after strangling their former classmate to death. Adding to the danger, they've invited the deceased classmate's parents and girlfriend across to the party to have dinner on top of the very box which houses their former son/boyfriend's dead body. Their ego and superiority complex has persuaded them that they are above the moral laws of the common man and that they can turn murder into an art as they're just too smart to be caught. We are given front row seats as the night's events unfold as the pair skirt with being caught by every member of the party.
That's all right, Mrs. Wilson. You can put the books back when you come in to clean in the morning.
So the dead body here functions much like Chekhov's gun. It's a bomb ready to go off, and the audience are aware of it in every scene, in every moment, as the characters walk around it, eat from it, and even talk around it, but are totally oblivious to its contents. But unlike other scenes where the camera generally moves to the key moments of conversation, we instead just get to hear the group as they discuss, well, the whereabouts of the man that they believe to be just late to the party. Alfred has the camera instead focus solely on the slow and methodical cleaning of the box by the maid. Hitchcock could have easily moved the camera around the party as the maid cleaned the box away, allowing us to jump our attention between the guests and the conversations in the foreground and the maid cleaning in the background. But instead, he chose to put our focus entirely on the painfully slow, encroaching peril of the body being found. He even puts the camera at the same height as the lid of the box which holds the dead body. The brilliance here is that Alfred knows we both want and don't want the body to be found.
Go ahead and look. I hope you like what you see.
So in a strange twist of audience psychology, we feel some sense of guilt from having watched these people have a dinner party on top of a dead body, and we knew about it the whole time. This is aided by the fact that one of the murderers is suffering terribly from the guilt of his actions, so therefore we empathise with his guilt and we don't want him to get caught. However, the other murderer is a cold, calculating and manipulative piece of shit, and we desperately want him to get caught.
Have you ever bothered for just 1 minute to understand how someone else might feel?
Alfred Hitchcock doesn't waver from his core goal, however, keeping the camera locked in position, watching the maid clean for a full 2 minutes. That is 2 minutes of forcing your audience to be unable to blink out of pure dread. There is no terror in the bang, only in the anticipation of it.